I'm going to be waterproofing the seams of the tent that fits inside it. I just wanted to read you a little bit of the directions that came with the tent. The tent that we have is the Ozark Trail 6-person ConnecTent. That's what it's called. And it fits right in the canopy. 6-person ConnecTent to go with Ozark Trail. Designed to clip inside your 10 by 10 straight leg. Make sure it's a straight leg canopy, sold separately. Fits 2 queen size air beds. It's pretty nice. So I just read this and it talks about waterproofing it. We advise you to assemble the tent once before going camping to become familiar with it. That's what I just did right now. Set up your 10 by 10 canopy. That's what we did. I'll show you. We got it all set up. Lower the height. That's what we did. The 2 legs to the lowest setting, connected to the frame. Once the tent is attached to the canopy frame, raise the canopy to its full height. Okay, I just showed you the picture. To improve the weather resistance of your tent, it is advisable to use seam sealer to coat, that's what we have, to coat all exposed seams. You should apply only to the underside of the fly and inside seams of the tent. If applied to the outside seams, discoloration of your tent may occur. I did not know that. Seam sealer is available in the camping section. I ordered it from Walmart, the same one I used for the canopy. Okay, we're gonna give it a shot. Here we go. Okay, I learned a little something from the last time. Last time I had both gloves. I don't know if I had my sunglasses on, but you want glasses on to protect your eyes. And I was breathing in this, and I was even in open air. This, I'm in a closed air because it's a tent, so I have a mask. You're gonna shake it, and you know, I showed you what it looks like. And I'm gonna start over there on the other side and show you how I'm gonna do the seams. Okay, here we go. I've got my camera. And we're gonna just do real quick. They said the seams inside. I wonder if I should pull the zipper closed to get, but I think I'll do that on the second coat. Voila! I'm gonna continue, but that's how you do it. You just take your time and do let me take this off so you can hear me. Take your time and do every single seam. Thanks for viewing.